How to add custom emoji on iPhone keyboard. So if you're using the iPhone keyboard while typing, whether on your message or on WhatsApp, and I want to set a custom emoji aside from what you have as default emoji on your iPhone keyboard, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. With this, you can create a custom emoji of your picture, of your pet, of any image you like, and add it as your custom emoji to use whenever you're using the keyboard on your iPhone. So this works perfectly on iOS 18. So if you have iOS 17 or earlier, you want to try this and see whether it works. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add custom emoji on iPhone keyboard, all you just need to do is go ahead and download the image you want to set as your custom emoji. So here, I'm going to set this as my custom emoji on my iPhone keyboard. So you can just go to Google, search for the image you want to use as your custom emoji, and then download it. So I just download this from Google. So you can just search through and then choose any other pets of your choice or image you want to set as custom emoji on your iPhone and then download it. Once you download it, then go ahead and open the message app or any application that use the keyboard on your iPhone. Now go ahead and click on emoji icon. Then you should see all the emojis you have on your iPhone. Now, to add your own custom emoji, all you just need to do is swipe left until you get to stickers. Then under stickers, if you have created other stickers here, then you should have the stickers available. Otherwise, go ahead and click on open stickers. Then here, click on new sticker. Then this is going to open the image on your phone. Then select the image you want to set as custom emoji. Then go ahead and click on add sticker. Then hang on. Then you should see this added to the sticker. Then if we click on add effect, you'll be able to add effect to the sticker you added to your keyboard. So I just prefer to go original. After that, go ahead and click on done. Once you hit the done button, then you're good to go. Then if you click on this, you'll be able to send the sticker in form of emojis. Then when next you are into any shot and you want to use the emoji you created, click on the sticker icon and then you should see the emoji here. You can see it has now been added to the emojis I have on my iPhone. So if I click on it, then I should have it like this. So you can use this to create multiple emojis of your choice or of your own on your iPhone. So you see, I have my emoji here, this. So if you want to add multiple emojis, just click on this icon on the sticker page, then select the new one, click on add sticker, then you should see it here. If you click on it like this is what you're gonna have, or this, you're gonna have them just like this. Then if you come back to the emoji, then you're gonna have the two stickers you created added to the emojis on your iPhone. So that is basically how to add custom emoji on iPhone keyboard. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.